is equal to connected. So what this will do is it will show the message that our port or our client 1 and client 2 are connected, and then it will disable this start button. Now when this happens, we also need to enable the send message button. So this button, copy, just select it and copy the name of this button, which is button 2 in my case. You can change it as send button or something like this, and just below this dot enabled, and this time this will be true because we need to enable this. And we also need to set our focus on this send message text box. So just select this text box, copy the name of this text box, which is text message in my case, and just below your button enabled code, just below that, paste your text message box name dot focus bracket and bracket close. So what it will do is it will set the focus on this message box once the connection is established, right? So this is for setting our connection or starting our connection. Okay, now we should be able to send the message. So we will write the code for this send message button. So just double click this send button, and in here we will write our code. So first of all, we will make a try catch block so that it can catch if any exception occurs. So here write this try catch block, try and catch exception, and show the message in the catch block. And in this try block, what we will do is we will convert our string, whatever we write in the message text box, into bytes so it can go on the network. So write this system.text.ascii encoding and give it a variable name enc in my case is equal to new system.text.ascii encoding bracket and bracket closed. And now we will declare a byte array just below this code. So declare a byte array like this, byte square bracket message, this is the variable name, is equal to new byte and the size of byte. And in the next line we will take the message from our message text box and transfer in this byte message array, right? So write this message variable here is equal to enc, which is this variable, dot get bytes, and then inside the bracket we will just go here in the form, just select this text message name, which is text message once again, and go to the code and we will just paste it here, get bytes, and in the bracket text message dot text. Now in the next line we will send the message. So this is the byte array and we will send the message to the other client. So we will write sck dot send, and in the bracket we will pass this message variable here. So it will send the message to the client in the form of bytes, right? So once it sends the message, you also need to be able to see it on the list box, right? So just copy the name of this list box, which is list message in my case, and go here and just below your send message code, paste your list box name dot items dot add and bracket close. And in here, first of all, we will give the argument who is sending the message. So it's you only, so you can write you or me or something like this, plus whatever is there in the text box, this send text box. So just copy the name message text from here, and in this list box argument, after you just give it a colon and then the message box name dot text. Okay, so this will show the message which you are sending in your list box also, so you should be able to see your own message also. And now we want to clear this text box once you send the message, so you will be able to type the other message. So just copy this text message here, just below that dot clear and bracket and bracket closed. So it will clear your text message. So now I think our code is complete. If you want, you can just pause the video and copy the code for this send button click event. Okay, and this is the code. And if you also want, you can just, I will just focus on this start button code also, so you can copy this code. So just pause the video and copy this code for the start connection button. Okay, now once you are done with all this code, what we need is we need to go to our solution. So just go to the solution explorer, right click your solution name and click this open folder in Windows Explorer. It will open the folder in which your project is there. Just click this project and go in the bin debug, and this is our executable file. So just double click it and it will open the executable file, but we need two files to run, one for the client 1, one for the client 2. So just double click it once again. So now we have two files running at the same time. Now we need to give the port number. So for client 1, port number is 80 for example, and client 2 port number is 81. And this is reverse for this client, because for client 1 this is client 1, so the client ID for client 2 is 81, but here the client is 81, client 1 is 81 and client 2 is 80, right? Because these are two different clients. So just do that, and after you enter the client name, just click this start button. So when I press this start button, nothing is happening. So I think what mistake I have done is I haven't built my project. So what I will do is go to my project once again, go to build, and I will build solution once again and rebuild solution once again. So it will build my solution, and now I will go to the app once again here, and now I will run two applications. One is 80 and 81, and here 81 and 80, right? Now I will click this start button and it will give you the warning for the security warning. Just allow, and now it's connected. The same thing, do it for client 2. Just click start button, and now it's connected. Now you will be able to send the message. So let's see. Hi, send, and see here also hi. Now here you can write hello YouTube and send the message, and here also this message comes. So whatever you write here, it will come here, and whatever you write here, it will come here. So in this way you can make a chat application with your C# Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.